How to create a Bingo Blitz account step by step. So let's get started. Once the app is installed, open it. Here you will see a welcome screen with the option New Player or Played Before. Tap New Player to create an account and save your progress. Tap onto the three horizontal line at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down until you see Connection and Logout option. Here, Bingo Blitz lets you sign up using Facebook, email, and phone number. Select your preferred method and follow the on-screen prompt to authorize the connection. Once you are connected, you can customize your profile. Choose a display name, add a profile picture, and start playing with daily bonus. You now officially have a Bingo Blitz account. Always connect your account to Facebook or Google to keep your data safe. And that's it. You have just created your Bingo Blitz account. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.